FRP Tool is FRP Tool. Hi guys, first go to the Google Chrome, open Google Chrome, and that's Google search better tool 2.2. Let's open, and first then open this and then check the version better 2.2 latest one, and close this and then come to your check. This will be a Samsung all models. And enable ADB. Done this. Latest 13, 14 Android bypass. Already work. Android 14 work properly. This. Check this version Samsung ADL. Polka, SPD Unicorn, MTK, this is digital 1.2 Gen models, Phoenix models, iPhone models, and then open any links you will be download there. This is a Google Drive, media file. You now download it. This is open new page and ready to download file. This is download link 1, link 2. Only anyone suggests you download link 1, and that's waiting here. If not found file, and second one you will Google Drive link. This is download file. That's download link 2. This may be not download, and this will be downloaded this version, this file, and check this website, and this media file show, and download this file, and download, and we'll start downloaded here. This is a very best tool from the FRP. Then just waiting here. That will be download a few minutes. That will be show 3 minutes 9 seconds 8 seconds. Just will be 11% downloads. The file has been downloaded. So Debug Tool version 2.2 RRA. We will be downloaded here. Few minutes wait. Few minutes he will be downloaded here. And just I am waiting here. It will be downloaded here. And just open download internet download ID, and then just open the file. Open folder, will be copy, and then paste the desktop. Will be desktop paste, and then extract here file. Extract here. File will be extracted. Then open the file, Debug Tool. Let's open the Debug Tool. I'll just open, this is empty page. This is media Debug Tool to Debug Tool 2.2. That's already downloaded here. It's a very best tool from 2014. Let's say MTP ADB and the MediaTek format Unicom, and then the SpeedRAM files, MTK SPD, Qualcomm, Samsung, ADB Fastboot, iPhone, and just ADB enable our QR code scan here. Samsung ADB QR code to bypass FRP 2014. This is ADB auto installed. That's a good tool from the 2014. That's a better tool 2.2. It's just working all 2.2, 13, Android 13 and 14 just work. ADB auto driver installed. And that's good work from any FRP from 2014. Just watching. Okay, liking, subscribe my channel.